We can test the application using Postman. So here we put localhost API user and 1. Click send. Could not get any response. Well, remember that the application should still be running locally. But here I miss the port. And the response. With a get method, it's not so different as checking with the browser, but later, when we define a post or a put method, we definitely will need Postman. Furthermore, we can create the test and save it in order to automate the acceptance test suite. Let's do that. Now we put Postman test, here a description, status code is 200, and a function. And here Postman response to have code 200. And no, this was status, and here, and now we click send again, and we can check here the test that has passed with the status code 200. Now let's write some more. This one to check that the response is valid and have a body. It's possible also to check the values of the JSON. For example, here in this variable we have this JSON. And let's check for example the user ID. In this case is 1. We expect the user ID to be 1. And one test is failed, body is correct. Okay. So let's try without this. Channel is correct. And if I put another number here, it's gonna fail also. But sometimes we don't need to validate the specific value, but the schema. So we can do something like this. and here validate if we check we get an error because this is not defined. So I bring it to you here. I define the validator of the schema, and here the schema we expect. We expect an object with these properties, an user ID, a username, a password, with this type for each property. Now that is defined, we check it and it's all correct. Perfect. Now we're gonna create a new collection and we're gonna move this get here, and we can share a collection, but we're gonna export it. I saved the collection we just downloaded here. And here I create this script. This prints the commands while they are running. This gets the directory where the script is executed. And with the Newman, that is the client of Postman, we run the script that is in the same directory. Here we are testing against local environment, but later we're gonna have productive or development environment. So I have added this global variable with the URL, so we can change the URL easily depending on the environment. And we can use it in the collection as here. Now we can check the test here. Poo-poo-poo-poo, running the test. Tu-tu-tu-tu-tu. And cha-cha-cha-chan, the successful output. And here we can see all the validations.